What's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. I wanted to compare and show you guys the distance between the Cmor mapping and the C-Map. Now obviously this map is more detailed on navigation. It shows you depths and all that, then the Cmor doesn't. But the Cmor, the bottom picture is amazing. So I found the wreck I wanted to show you guys here. I could zoom in, you could actually see the wreck. I mean, that's pretty cool. So I put in the coordinates here, and the wreck should be right around in here. Can't see it. It tells me it's 144 feet, but I mean, this chart is great for navigation. It shows you all your stuff. You can change what you want to see and all that. Shows you channel marks and all that. The Cmor mapping does not show you any of that stuff, but it shows you a hell of a bottom. I mean, look at the graphs and everything on this. So, good chart for navigation if you want it. I think this is about 250 bucks for this one. So hand in hand, they go good together. Because if you're out running around looking for stuff and you want to know where your surroundings are, have it on that one. But then if you want to see where you're actually, what the bottom looks like, you put the Cmor map on. And I mean, this is awesome, you know. Like I said, this is what it looks like. You know, we're sitting here right now. It's just basically a map they go off of. Same here, you know, here you have a 3D or a satellite imaging of where we're at. We're sitting at the shop right now. So again, great for navigation. This chip is going to be great for your bottom fishing off on the reef, and then even go deeper. So 250 bucks for about this one. This Cmor mapping, the one we have in this machine right now, is about, I believe, 850. And then the Bahamas chip, it's a different chip, that's 1,000. So yeah, but I mean, this is, like I said, this is great. See all these little things out here. It's really good, guys. I would do both these chips on your boat. If you go to put new screens in, definitely look up these guys, or give us a call, or most likely become a dealer here soon for Cmor. So look us up, millermarinefl.com or Miller Marine. Just Google us and you'll come up. Isla Mirada. Thanks, guys.